Makeup tips and tricks to look attractive. These days the women are getting conscious regarding their appearance. They have started to use makeup extensively for looking good. Makeup is surely a boost to the beauty of a female. But it must be kept in mind that the makeup must be removed every night before sleeping and the skin must be allowed to breathe. The removal of the makeup at the night also prevents the clogging of the pores. Below are given few of the makeup tips and tricks that can help you look stunning. 1. First of all the things is the selection of the right foundation for your skin. Select the foundation that would make a perfect base for your face. 2. The color of the foundation should not be matched with the hands and the neck but with the face and the neck. 3. Use a different shade of foundation for each season. This is because blending of the colors at times gives the perfect match. 4. Apply the foundation on the lips, neck and eyelids. This would give you a more natural look. This gives a good and longer setting to the eyeshadow and the lipstick. 5. Use a powder eyeshadow instead of the cream one. This is due to the fact that the cream has a tendency to crease. The powder eyeshadow remains on the eyes for a longer time. 6. To give your eyelashes a thicker and a fuller look, apply the mascara on the upper and the lower lashes of the eyes. Use lesser amount of the mascara on the lower lashes. 7. The mascara gives the best effect when 2 coats are applied. While applying the second coat, make sure that the first coat has been completely dried. 8. Apply petroleum jelly or lip balm on the lips every night before going to the bed. This would help in keeping the lips moistured. 9. If you wish to make your lips look larger than they are, free reprint articles, then apply the lip liner just outside the natural line of the lips. The use of the lip gloss can then give a perfect look. 10. Do not ever try the tester lipsticks on the lips while testing the shade of a lipstick at a shop. This is not at all hygienic. You can apply the lipstick at the back of your wrist instead to try. Please my channel subscribe.